Guys, this is the gas detector machine which can be used to detect different kinds of gas, oxygen, carbon monoxide, H2S, like that. We can detect any gases with this machine. This is especially used in confined space entry purposes, like that. So today I want to show you that how this machine is working. So first we need to switch on the machine. So we need to press this blue button. We need to press this button. So it will be on. Yeah, like this. It will show readings, and they're showing here. We need to block this inlet. This is the pipe which we put in the space, confined space. So first we need to block the inlet. So it's showing. Then unblock inlet. So we need to unblock this. So it will show pump OK. So the pump is ready to calibrate. So then we need to wait. It will show the maximum and minimum levels of oxygen and carbon monoxide, H2S and LEL levels. Yeah, self-testing, it's going on, and it's okay, self-test okay. So the reading will be shown. It's showing 20.9. That's the oxygen level, and this is the calibration due date. It's showing 20.9 oxygen and H2S. There is no H2S present in this room. This is a room, so there is no H2S and carbon monoxide, and the oxygen level is normal. Oxygen level is 19.5 to 23.5. Now it's showing 20.9. So there is no problem for there is no deficiency or more oxygen in this room. So it's normal now. So how we are going to check this? How we are gonna check this machine is working or not? This is now showing 20.9. Every time it's showing 20.9. So we wanna check this machine working or not. So we need to exhale our breath, that is carbon dioxide into this tube. So there will be change in the machine. So let's try this. I'm exhaling through my mouth. I will exhale. Okay. Okay guys, this is it's not clear that this machine is working, and I exhale carbon dioxide through this tube. The reading changes to 20.5, 20, 19.5, and it's when it's less than 19.5, the machine, the alarm we got an alert. So there is no sufficient oxygen. That's the meaning of that alarm. So that's all guys. So this machine is working. If anyone have any doubt, you have to that's the machine is working or not, you can do like this. So how this is working, that's all guys. If you like the video, please give me a like. That's all. Okay, thank you.